那个也录下来。
如果说这是 supermarket 的话，妈妈就哇精神就来了。
Yeah. 它是 micro mini， 你要找 micro mini。micro
mini，
这个是开的吗？
这个锁。哦，这一进了。
Go ahead。
还不错啦，你要看看这边。它这个后面整个是，
这2个人就是刚刚好2个，哎，可以，那边
上面还可以睡。
然后它那个是有浴盆型的那个，
有一个 top right，
有一个 top。
这个就差不多了，2个人就可以去住。
这对我来讲，对我们来讲差不多。你身高高一点的，就是头在这里而已啊。
那这，
它2个入口，有抽烟机，microwave。
OK， 下来小心哦。
太小心了。
TV 也是 twin bed 嘛。
它是2个 twin bed， 可以变成一个 king。
哦，它是这样子，这个也不错。这个大多了。
对。
这里就窄了，你一定
对啊，
要
这个要推出去啊。
哦，这也很好啊，这个。对啊，这个理想，这个比刚才那个理想。
哦 ，yeah。
锁不住啊。
这不用锁，只要打开。
那你水就出来了。你看电视就不是正对电视哦。
你电视在哪？哦，
这里那里面。
Yeah, so that's compromise, right? 我看你们也不需要 king， 2个人1个人睡一边。
对。
然后这中间这个板子拿掉，下床都方便。
Yeah, yeah. 然后喜欢沙发。
只要沙发，我不要这样。
我带你们来看，就是要找到说适合你们的。对。
这边挂衣服的地方没有。
挂衣服 OK 啊 ，storage 塞一塞就好了。
你要挂什么衣服？你有
西装。
You have a suit?
Yep.
You're wearing a suit? 其实你们这个也可以。我是说的就是要这个沙发。
可以退后。
Right?
这里面，这打开又是一个床啊。
Yeah.
号码弄一下。
8BH。
OK。
走吧。
看它有没有开。对，轻。
不错哦。这个厉害啊。哦，这 Murphy bed。哦。
哇，这还有这样的。
哎，其实这个不错哎。好吧，回去了。开那么快干嘛？
它一下就上去了。
Okay. You drive. I push buttons. Alright, we're looking at a Starcraft. super light.
Yep, that's fine.
212
Send me the
FB
goodies.
with my dad.
Thank you.
Is this central air?
That is. And it is ducted through the ceiling.
Okay. Yeah, I see that. That's pretty nice, central air. I don't have that. Yeah, what do you think of this?
This is good. This is
Right.
for mom, not for me.
Right, and it's an ottoman,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you probably have storage down here.
Yep, and the table can get stored under there.
So
That is
there's-
a trifold bed as well.
Okay.
Do you know how those work? Have you guys seen those?
Oh.
Get yourself a little bigger space, you know, for an adult.
Mm-hmm.
You can put the cushions back here. It's like a headboard, so yeah.
A 40-inch TV here. And then the bed's pretty nice. You could put a different mattress on.
Oh, this is good.
Okay, yeah, you guys like that. And then this mom will just be there. For
She always be there.
she'll always be there, and you'll always be here.
Yeah.
Hanging out, watching some TV and
Yeah.
eating some snacks.
You want to stand in there for a minute?
Me?
Yeah. You gotta show mom the shower.
And wave. Hi, Mom.
Close it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad, right?
Where do you guys live?
Uh-oh.
This is bad.
Uh-oh. Is this the spray port?
Yep.
Yeah, kind of like that. I think the storage is sweet, too. Oh, you guys include a impact driver bit for the...
Yeah, for the stab jacks
Yeah,
now?
that's really awesome. Yeah. So that's
kind of
cool.
a cute little thing they added.
Yeah, that spray
I mean, they
port
still
over
give you the
there.
wrench, but why not just use a drill?
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I... First thing I bought was that.
The socket?
Yeah. Yeah. What do you think? How tall?
Height, just under, it's about 11, a little over 11 feet to the top of the AC.
I have to check my warehouse.
Oh, if your warehouse door...
Door is wide enough, I believe, but
I thought Jose checked.
yeah.
Did he?
I don't know.
You don't know? The door, your warehouse door should be 9... if you want to play it safe, it should be 9 feet. And then the height should be at least, I'm going to say 12 feet just to be safe. I like the 230-pound tanks too, as opposed to 20.
Power tongue jack, which is nice,
Mm-hmm.
especially if you're using a weight distribution hitch. Do you use a weight distribution hitch with your X23B?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Yep.
Look at that light. You think this is wide enough? You can't put a couch in here.
That's really okay, but the thing is,
Where's your TV gonna go?
right.
That's important.
This one is not bad.
妈妈会不会嫌挤？
只是它没有门，只是用帘子的
Yeah.
啊。要妈妈一洗澡的话乱的。
Yep.
这是 Jago，
No, this is Starcraft.
Starcraft.
this is Star.
That's Jayco. The first one we were in was Starcraft.
Good.
Jayco makes this exact same floor plan too.
Yeah.
So you can get
Yeah.
this in Starcraft or at Jayco.
RV shopping in the winter here in Minnesota. It is -2 degrees outside right now. Yep. Transcend Explorer 200 MK. Ah! 这是也是可以跟妈妈打仗，可是它也比较大嘛。
对。
Right?
它封了freezer的也大。
Yeah. 冰箱够大 ，right？ 你这个你看可以挂多大的电视，然后就坐这边。哦，你看
3个都有。
3个都有，谁要躺都可以。
但这可以变床吗？
好像不行。它这个有 cup holder。Look at this。桌子在这边。那桌子反正就是你一个人在用，你一个人用。妈妈是这样子，right？ 这够白的，
对不对？这点蛮好看的。
不只是冰箱，你看啊，它这个 counter space 有多少？从这里面，
这里面不知道要放什么东西。
你不烧咖啡，
哦，
对不对 ？hot water 那些都可以啊。这个 sink 也大，然后 counter space 这边也大。你要就是有这个 slide 的好处，你看它这个 ，look how much more space you have. You could get a dog, and the dog could be here.
Dog?
Yeah.
No, no dog.
Toby could come lay here.
Yeah. Toby can come. 40? No, 比40小。
I think you could put 40. We bought a smart TV, so we just, we didn't need to take any of this, and any of that, because we didn't need any input.
你需要 internet 吗
Yeah.
？internet 你是自己去买一个 hotspot 是吧？
Yeah.
单价多少不知道。
也是差不多，跟那个 Starcraft 差不多。
差不多。
Yeah. 24000。
因为它这个空间真的很大。
Yeah.
它这个空间比 Starcraft 还大。它这个时代比较快。
然后电视就在这边，又有一个桌子，吃饭到我们那边吃也可以。Cause we have a dinette. 哇，这个门好，哎，
重吗？
重啊，门重啊。Try to slam it. Here, try to slam it. 用力。That was terrible. 门重哦 ，right？ 它做那么重，它是 friction hinge，so 它不会被风吹来吹去 ，right？ 这个 storage 也不错 ，right？ 好，先上车吧。Woo! Wow. Here, you drive. You drive. It is way too cold to be over RV shopping. Ah.